Can I please stay up late till Dad gets home, Mom?
Oh. Okay, I'm off.
Aw. Come here, sweetie. I have a little gift for learning to ride.
What is it?
Ta-da!
Mom, so pretty.
One for each of my girls. Which do you want, a pink or a blue? Big girls choose first.
This one. No! Mom let me pick first and I chose this.
Kongsuni, she wants it. Let Chloe have the pink one.
It's not fair. How come she always gets everything?
She doesn't. What about the blue one? It would look way better on you. There. Oh, wow! You know, that color suits you perfectly. Here, look.
Huh? Oh, hey, you're right. Aw, I already gave you the one I wanted. You just want this one because it's mine. No, Chloe, it's mine.
Kongsuni, Chloe just wants to be more like you. Why don't you let her borrow it for a little while?
Aw, but Mom.
I know it's hard. You've got to be patient. She's younger than you. There. Better?
Sayo, do you have a baby sister?
Nope, there's just me.
You're lucky. It's way harder than it looks. You always have to be thinking of what's best for them. Know what else? They always want your stuff and they'll cry till they get it.
Chloe's a pretty cool kid. She can do a lot. Let me think.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right. She makes funny noises. Once I heard her meow, like a cat. Do you remember?
Huh? That was funny.
And one time she wore my daddy's glasses. That was hilarious. It was a fun day. Chloe ranked my best castle yet, Mom? I didn't even get to show Daddy yet.
Oh, dear. I'm sorry. This was my fault. Sweetie, come on out. Let's have some yogurt. We can come up with a castle rebuilding plan while we have a snack, okay?
It's not so bad, actually. Out with the old, in with the new, right?
But I liked it just how it was. Aw.
It was pretty awesome.
Huh. I know. Help me after snack time? Huh? Mommy! How come I can't find my favorite yogurt?
It's in the living room. I put it on the table for you.
Huh? No! Mommy! I can't find my yogurt anywhere in here.
I took it out for you. It's on the living room table.
Huh? No! One's for me. Mom said so.
Huh? Oh, dear. That's no good. I'll have to get you something else.
There is nothing else. That's the only thing I wanted to have.
Oh.
No fair.
Oh, sweetie. You know she didn't do it on purpose. It's almost bedtime. How about some hot chocolate?
No, thank you. I only wanted yogurt.
Oh.
You sound kind of sad. Why so glum, Chum?
Chloe always takes away what I want every time.
Ah, that's hard. What you need is some music. Kongsuni is angry. Kongsuni is so sad. Come on, girl, pick yourself up. Don't let things bring you down. Hey, everybody, put your hands up. Huh? Everybody, put your hands. Huh? Nothing?
Sometimes my little sister Chloe makes me feel so mad. If she was old enough to know, I think she'd feel so bad. She gets everything she wants, but what about me? Sometimes I think it's so unfair, but what can I do? Mommy says that I need to be the big sister. Kongsuni, please help out your baby sister Chloe. That's what an older sister does when a younger sister needs them. Soon I'll understand how to get along better with her. I will learn to be patient with Chloe.
Looks like a big storm is coming. Yeah, I'm just gonna take a bath.
Mommy! Mommy! Are you there? What was that sound? Oh. Hello? Mommy? Hi, Chloe. Don't worry. It's just the wind outside. Sayo! Can you do something? Sayo! Come with me to see Chloe so I don't have to go alone in the dark. Stay back!
Huh?
Go on! Get out of here!
How am I scary? I'm little and pink.
Mommy!
Huh?
Mr. Fluffy, is that you?
Nope, just me. Do I look different?
Yeah, your shadow made you look so big.
Huh? Let's go get her. She might be scared.
Yeah, but it's so dark, and her room's down the hall. How will we get all the way over there?
We'll find a way. She needs us.
Sayo, make something with magic, like a hamster tunnel or something.
You got it. Say yo! What do you think? Your very own car, and in your favorite color.
It won't open. Maybe it's broken.
Pull the handle.
Still not working.
That's so weird. Let's see. License, please.
Not funny.
I'm so sorry. Don't know what's wrong. It's never happened before.
Sayo, I really like the car, but maybe you have something else.
You're right. On to plan B. Ta-da! Wow! Check it out! All aboard?
Okay, here goes. Whoa!
Okay, never mind. What now? Any ideas?
Huh. Oh! Wait, I got it! Oh. So, think you can glue some magic wheels on?
Yeah, you know it. Making things move is kind of my specialty.
It's perfect.
Thanks.
We both have fun whenever we go flying into the dark and starry night. Don't be afraid, it's just a storm, and all the wheels go round and round safely in our flying tent.
Yo, Kongsuni!
Yo, Sayo! Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. Clap your hands, high five, best of friends, yeah! Pick out the stars that light up in the night sky and lead our way across the sky. So many stars for us to count. We're not afraid, we're feeling brave. Safely in our flying tent.
Yo, Kongsuni!
Yo, Sayo! Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. Clap your hands, high five, best of friends. Flap, flap, flap. The sun goes down. Time to go home. The bird flies back to the forest. He lands and walks over to his favorite tree. Now he's tired because he spent all day out fishing. Just then, he hears his friend, Miss Wolf.
Ow! Ow!
Hello, Mr. Bird. You're home. Don't go to sleep yet. One last game of hide and seek. Ha-ha! You walked right past. I was by my tree. Next, a game of tag. You're it. Try and catch me. And they played tag in the night under the pretty stars for a long, long time until... Oh, you see that?
Whoa! The tree from your story!
No way. Look, this one's growing. Sayo, get us out of here. Oh! Hurry up. It's getting big. Oh.
Hold on tight, girls. Curves up ahead.
Whoa! Woof, woof. We're safe.
Looks like we're stuck till the wheel gets fixed.
Huh? Can you turn on the kitchen light first?
Oh, me?
Huh? Don't be afraid, Chloe. I'm right here beside you. I'm still having fun even though it's dark. Sayo, all you've got to do is flick on the switch.
Great idea. Or even better, what if we all go together?
No thanks, but we'll be waiting here when you get back.
Oh, hang on.
You're gonna use your magic again?
Try this on for size. We could just sleep here and pretend like we're camping.
So, what do you think, Chloe? Do you want to stay in the tent? Everyone likes sleeping under the stars. Nah.
What's a little rain? It's nice. Makes everything clean. Just listen to that. I love the sounds of nature.
You okay? Don't worry. I've got a great idea. You wait here, Chloe. worry. I'll protect you, Chloe. Stormy winds don't scare me. Aha! A curtain monster. Here goes. Ah! Ha! 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 Huh? Ah!
Yay! You did it!
See? Told you I'd protect you. There's nothing to worry about, because no one scares my sister. Chloe, I got rid of the curtain monster. Nothing can hurt you now. Yeah, stay away from my sister. Huh? Aww. Here. And this. Now you can do anything. Just like me. And together we're even stronger. Don't be afraid. Huh? Aww. You did it! You're my hero!
Oh. Who turned on the lights? Come on to bed, girls.
Kongsuni? Chloe? Oh, there they are. They must have gotten up while I was taking a bath.
Our little adventurers.
Know what? I'm not that afraid of the dark now. Or of the thunder.
Yeah, me neither. Thunder's just the clouds clapping.
Right, except that your eyes kept rolling around.
What? No way! I was just playing, you know, to make you two laugh.
It's okay. You don't need to feel bad about it. We all get a little scared.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I bet even monsters get scared.
Yeah, maybe. I bet you they're afraid of me.
What? Really? But why you? You're sweet and you love hugs.
I know. They don't like that stuff.
Kongsuni,
Huh?
got something for you. Ready? Ta-da!
Yay! What is it?
Well, I know how much you like to decorate, so they're stickers.
Yeah! Wow, Mommy, they're so pretty. Thank you. I'll put them on my special things.
I'm glad you like them. Thanks for always helping me. Chloe's very lucky to have you for a big sister. You should be proud of yourself, sweetie.
Mom, I like her.
That's so good to hear. And do you want to know something? She copies you because she wants to be like her sister. You're one of her favorite people.
Huh?
Think of it this way. You can rebuild together.
Not again. Chloe!
The duck says,
Quack, quack.
the pig says,
Oink, oink.
the owl says,
Hoot, hoot. I like field trips. So I love being outside. I know. Ooh.
Okay, children, all set to show your little friends their new home?
Yeah!
Drum roll. Here we go.
Oh, wow.
Look with your eyes.
Okay.
They're gonna grow legs. They are? Look! I think this one looks kind of different. So many spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Wow. I wonder if they get freckles like people.
Huh? Oh, yeah, you see that? When it wriggles, the freckles move. I really like that one. Can I have it?
We can't keep them. Mrs. Kim said we're just watching. Let's not hurt them, Kay. They're our tiny friends.
I'm only just pretending. Besides, I saw it first, so it's gonna be mine. Swim, little squirmy. Who's gonna be a froggy? Wiggle, 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 and jump.
That still doesn't mean it's yours. Let's take care of the tadpoles together. We should love them equally. We don't want one to feel left out, do we?
That one. It's mine. Hey, little guy, you need a good name. I love the spots on my tadpole, so I'm gonna call it Speckles. Up here, Speckles. Cool. Mine is gonna be gigantic. That's why I'm naming it Gigantosaurus. Like a dinosaur. Gigantosaurus Rex. I know. Let's give them all names. Good idea. This one should be Stumpy, and that
I
one...
want to name one too. Let me do it. Wait, I'm sorry. I just want to name our friends together. What do you say? Let's hurry. It's almost recess. Okay, guys?
Wow, that's a cool space creature.
No, Dad. It's supposed to be a tadpole. It's my new friend.
Oops. Right, I see it now. Boy, it's a big one.
And a cute one.
Cutest one I've ever seen.
Dad, know what? Our class went on an adventure and we caught a whole bunch of them.
Well, isn't that exciting? Good for you.
And you see this part here? Mine has pretty spots. I counted 7 of them.
Oh, must mean it's special. I know you're gonna take really good care of it.
Promise. You're my favorite tadpole in the whole universe, Speckles. Mommy! Mom, wake up! Time to go to school. I've got to see Speckles.
Did I sleep in this morning? Huh? What's the hurry? It's still way too early to go.
Speckles needs its breakfast.
Oh, I don't think tadpoles eat breakfast. Just give it a big lunch.
But you said everyone should eat breakfast before school. Mommy, it's time for me to go to school. Can't you hurry up? I need to see Speckles.
I know, sweetie. And you've been such a patient girl. Just a few more seconds, Kay?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, done. Come on, Mom!
Oh. Hey, honey, can you walk Kongsuni down to the bus stop?
Oh. You're sure up early for a Saturday? Gonna be the best weekend ever.
School day.
Right, of course. Silly me. The week's just started.
All right. Time to freshen your water. This will make you happy.
You coming?
Yes, be right there.
Cool, right? Yeah, it's the best. Morning, Miss
No,
K.
slow down. No running, remember?
Good morning, Miss Kim. We're a bit early.
Nice to see you, Eve.
Roar!
Morning, Mr. Dinosaur.
No! Where'd it go?
What's the matter, Kongsuni?
How come my tadpole isn't in the fishbowl?
Take another close look. Maybe it's hiding. They can be sneaky.
I don't see it, Miss Kim.
Yeah, me neither.
It's gone! My speckles is gone! Come back to me!
Kongsuni, please don't cry. We can find you a different tadpole.
I don't want another one. I just want mine.
I'll be right over here, okay, sweetie?
Kongsuni, are you feeling any better? Huh. I keep hoping I'll go back and find it in the fishbowl. Yeah, I know. It was definitely the coolest one of the whole bunch. It was big and it had those marks. But not just that, it was so special to me. I'll never find another one like it.
I know we're not allowed to keep them, but you could pretend to have my tadpole.
No, I can't! Your tadpole isn't the same!
Yeah, I guess you're right. They're all one of a kind. Just like people. There's nobody else like us.
Huh?
Hey, I know.
Huh?
Wanna ride bikes, maybe? That always makes me happy.
Why are you walking like that? Ugh, I'm getting dizzy.
Can't you think of something, Sao?
Oh, hang on. I got nothing.
How about this? We solve it like a mystery!
Mystery?
Like on TV. At the end, they always find the answer. I can do that too!
Like a detective. Perfect. You know what this calls for?
What?
A special mystery-solving costume. What else?
Oh, yeah. I like it.
Now you're all set. Everything else is gonna be easy. So, what do you think?
I love my new outfit. I love it. I love it. Thank you, Sao.
Okay, Sleuth, ready? We're off.
Let's go. We've got to find my tadpole. Nothing's gonna get in our way.
I know. Nah, won't work.
I've got a plan. We need to be detectives.
We do?
When there's a riddle, the guy with the hat finds the answer. And that could be me.
Great idea. But first, you're gonna need a hat.
What?
On TV, you know how Sherlock and those guys look.
Yeah, right. You're on.
Yes, much better. Ready for your first mystery. Come on, let's get going.
I love it so much. Sao, thank you. Your magic power's the best.
Oh, yeah? Well, you know.
We can do it. We're gonna find my tadpole, and nothing's gonna stop us.
I sure hope you're right. Wait, you're onto something. Be positive. Am I right?
Yeah! I'm a detective looking for my tadpole.
Yahoo!
I've got to search everywhere I can. All around the room, I've got to look. Can't miss a thing. I've got to think. We will solve this mystery.
Yo, Kongsuni!
Yo, Sao! Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. Clap your hands, clap your hands. High five, best of friends, yeah! We'll keep on looking until we find him.
Yahoo!
Maybe I'll look behind the couch or on the desk. Under this book, we'll track it down. Kongsuni and Sao. We will solve this mystery.
Yo, Kongsuni!
Yo, Sao! Aren't you glad we're best of friends? Always having lots of fun. Clap your hands, always best of friends.
First, I'll set up a lost and found file, and then we can type in all our clues. Okay, now, I need to know what it looks like. You know, height, weight, that kind of stuff.
Small, black. And the last time I saw it, it was at school. It can't be far, because it doesn't even have legs.
No mustache, no beard, slippery.
Today's the day we're gonna bring it back to school. No way it can stay missing forever. We just have to find the water that it's made a new home in.
Ah, now that's using your brain, my little detective. So, we'll look for fresh water that's near your school.
Mm-hmm.
Into the store, please, Kongsuni.
Huh? Fresh water!
Can I help you find something, miss?
Hey, mister. I'm looking for my new friend Speckles. Have you seen it?
No. Is it a cat? Or maybe a fluffy dog?
Not even close. It's a tadpole. And the prettiest and biggest one in my whole school.
Huh.
And know what? It doesn't even have its legs yet.
Oh.
I bet it's in there. It loves cold water, and maybe it even loves bean sprouts. I know I do.
Well, miss, we don't really get a lot of tadpoles here.
Right. Tadpoles don't need groceries.
Do you want to keep looking? All right, that's what I like to hear.
You know what? I think I just might have a hunch.